What's going on? It's your boy Mr. Football West Coast, and I'm back at you with a night edition. Tonight we got the Audi R8 convertible or Spyder. Check it out. We got the spoiler in the back that comes up automatically when you hit a certain speed. Rag top. Check the interior. Look at that. You have the top down. Got the dual braking system. Dual pipes. The only downfall is if you're 5'10" and taller, you're gonna have a hard time to get in here because of seats. From a distance. Now we're gonna get inside. Like I said, it's kind of rough getting inside if you're 5'10" and higher. We're gonna start it up. Now I usually don't do reviews on German rivals, but even though I'm a Beamer fan, this R8 is pretty dope. Wouldn't mind purchasing one. So here we go. So the steering wheel locked on me, so let me put this down real quick. Alright, there we go. Got your infotainment system. Got your dual climate control. And your stainless steel shift knob, which I really like this quality behind this. Got your paddle shifters. Got your tachometer. And we're going to go ahead and start it up. I'm going to do some, I'm going to give you guys some rev time. So give me a second and get back out. hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Show you guys how to do this top. Do the top real quick. Also too, you have your backup. So when you put it in reverse, you have your backup too. As you can kind of see it right there. Normally, you find a backup cams and a backup system to be in the infotainment, but I guess it's not with Audi. So there we go. Show you guys the top. So this is what it looks like with the top down. You got almost 550 horsepower in this. So, hey guys, if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next post. Thank you.